The T-Mobile Visa credit card issued by Capital One is a highly specific financial tool built for people who are already deeply embedded in the T-Mobile ecosystem. This card focuses on rewarding loyalty through a point system where one reward point is worth $0.01. However, the catch is that these rewards are locked into the carrier environment, meaning they can only be redeemed toward a T-Mobile bill or for T-Mobile hardware. The reward structure starts with 5% back on hardware, which includes phones, devices, and accessories purchased directly from the company. It is important to remember that this usually applies to the full purchase price at the time of sale, and monthly equipment installment plan payments generally do not qualify for that high 5% rate. For everything else, including the monthly phone bill, groceries, dining, and gas, the card offers a flat 2% back. There is also a 6% dining bonus available if the card is linked to T-Mobile Dining Rewards, and cardholders get access to a travel portal offering up to 50% off hotels and 45% off Pay Now car rentals. One of the biggest pain points for T-Mobile customers recently has been the removal of the $5 per line autopay discount for those using standard credit cards. T-Mobile began forcing users toward debit cards or bank transfers to keep that discount. This card serves as the only credit card workaround to that problem, allowing a user to restore that $5 per line discount for up to 8 lines while keeping the fraud protections of a credit card. Other pros include the fact that there is no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, making it a decent companion for international travel. The rewards also do not expire as long as the account stays open. However, the downsides are significant for those who value flexibility. Because the rewards are locked, they cannot be used for cashback or gift cards. Interestingly, despite being a branded phone card, it does not offer free cell phone insurance, which is a common perk on many other general rewards cards. This means users have to pay for T-Mobile Protection 360 plans if they want coverage. Additionally, only active postpaid wireless customers are eligible, so prepaid or business accounts are left out. From an educated perspective, the financials on this card suggest it is meant for people who pay their statement in full every single month. The purchase APR is a variable rate ranging from 18.99% to 28.99% based on creditworthiness. If a balance is carried, these high interest rates will immediately wipe out any value gained from the 2% or 5% rewards. The cash advance APR is a variable 28.99%, and the fee for a cash advance is either $5 or 5% of the transaction, whichever is greater. Late payment fees can also reach up to $40. When comparing this to a flat 2% cashback card from a traditional bank, the opportunity cost is high. While those other cards allow the cash to be spent anywhere, this card forces the value back into T-Mobile. This tool is likely a great fit for a family with several lines who wants to save $40 a month on their bill through the autopay discount without giving the carrier direct access to a checking account. It also works well for those who upgrade hardware frequently and want that 5% back. However, if flexibility is a priority or if there is any chance of switching carriers in the future, this might not be the best choice. If a customer leaves T-Mobile, the rewards effectively become unusable. To summarize the situation, the T-Mobile Visa is a specialized utility for heavy users of the carrier who want to maximize their internal savings and protect their autopay discounts. It provides a nice solution to a specific billing problem while offering decent rates on hardware and dining. Nevertheless, the risks are clear and should be taken seriously. The high variable APR of up to 28.99% makes carrying a balance extremely expensive. Furthermore, the total lack of redemption flexibility means the user is tethered to the brand, and the absence of built-in cell phone insurance is a glaring omission for a dedicated mobile credit card.